been so good. I woke up this morning with a song in my heart, a brand new day, a brand new start. I look around and I see your grace, 1,000 blessings in every place. The sun keeps shining, the birds still sing. My heart remembers you're the reason for everything. I don't need riches, I have all I need. Your presence, Jesus, is my greatest gain. Every step I take, you're walking with me. Every breath I breathe, your love surrounds me. You've been so good to me, more than my eyes could ever see. Your love is higher than the mountains above. Your mercy surrounds me like oceans of love. I'm gonna sing, I'm gonna praise for all the blessings you gave me today. My heart is full, my spirit is free. Jesus, you've been so good to me. I don't have to worry about tomorrow. Your hands are holding all my sorrows. You've been faithful through every season. Your love has always been my reason. From the moment I wake until I sleep at night, you remind me that I'm held in your light. So I'll keep dancing, I'll keep singing, because my joy comes from the King. Malo au pido si su iho o ofa. Malo I heda kwa ki iku o ke fwa ki oku o fie fia oku o hiva. E oku ke lelei kai lava ke whakalaua. Na e I kai ha aku lelei tene lava. Kako ho o ke lezi na ane e whakalava. Ko hoku lodo oku whonu I he whakawhena I si su koko e pea e kumoku. Thank you for life, thank you for grace, thank you for showing me your face. Thank you for hope, thank you for peace. Thank you, Jesus, for setting me free. You've been so good to me. Forever faithful, forever King. My life is a song, my worship will be. Jesus, you're everything I need. I'm gonna sing, I'm gonna praise, forever lifting up your name. My heart is full, my spirit is free. Jesus, you've been so good to me. You've been good yesterday, you're good today, you'll be good forever. Jesus, you're the way. Okuleleya ki I he aho ni mo e gahi aho kodoa. De ufaka hiki I ho wafa. He koho ofa oku I kai hano kada aga.